Hey gang, it's Justin Barrett, Plains Paris Team Remax Revolution. I'm out here at 403 Monterey in Liberty. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, side-to-side split, tri-level with a finished basement. Let me give you a quick tour. So this is the living room. You can see it's big vaulted ceilings, hardwood floors. Let me take you into the kitchen here. Kitchen's been updated. It's got really nice KitchenAid appliances, the like the ice white style. Updated countertops, backsplash. It's all white shaker. Pretty cool property. Now the whole house has hardwood floors for the bedrooms, the hallways, the kitchen, living room. Now the basement's going to be carpet, of course. But we'll take you up here. Bathroom's been updated. It's beautiful. It's got the women's common. It's got beautiful vanity. Master bedroom is really cool, and if you like the old charming build-ins, this has all of those you know, everything's built in, the built-in basically closets, dresser. You just don't see that stuff anymore. So if you're looking for that, you know, charming house, this is one of those charmers. Okay, now the basement's got a big rec room. It's got the nice fireplace. It's got the walkout, and you know, just look at how big it is. Then there's the full bath with a shower off of it. Then you still have, again, a lot of these plans didn't have the basement underneath of the living room, but they have a crawl space or it's slab. This one's going to have a full basement down here and insulated. It's got updated electrical. It's got updated furnace and somewhat updated water heater. But, you know, it's just in great shape. There's no real flaws in this house. So that's it. That's 403 Monterey in Liberty. Beautiful house, 3 bedrooms, again, 2 baths, finished basement, sub-basement underneath the main level, hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings. You know, if it's something you might be interested in, or you know somebody who's you know, looking really hard for a house, you know, reach out to us immediately, and maybe we could give them some help. Okay. Thanks for your time. I'll talk to you guys later.